Guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be very eye focused, something super simple, easy, and very warm toned, which I'm super excited about. This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette from Jaclyn, Hill, and Morphe. I haven't played around with this palette too much, so I figured I'd go ahead and film a video using it today. And if you'd like to see the look that I come up with, then please be sure to go ahead and just keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm just taking the Hourglass Vanish Concealer, using that to prime my eyes and buffing that out with the Rare Beauty foundation brush. Then I'm taking the shade Secure and just buffing that right into the crease, making sure that it's a nice, smooth, subtle transition shade. And continuing on with the same palette, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Smooth Criminal just to further deepen the crease and make sure that the outer corner is deep, dark, and diffused. And next, I'll be dipping into the shade Access just to further diffuse the transition shade and to give a little bit more yellow into the look. Then taking the shade Prowl, which is a beautiful dark brown shade, and I'm just fluffing that right into the outer corner, making sure that everything is deep and dark and well blended. And for this look, I didn't know exactly what shade I wanted to go in with, so I was choosing in between Guilt Trip, Coin, and Classified, and I did end up choosing Classified just to place all over the lid. It's like this beautiful greeny gold color, and I absolutely love it. Then finally just taking Prowl again and further diffusing that outer corner, making sure that there's no harsh lines and making sure that the glitter that we just packed on the lid is blended perfectly. And then again taking Secure and just bringing back some more of that orange tone into the look. Again, just blending everything together, making sure it is blended the way that I like. And off camera I went ahead and finished the rest of my face, and this is the finished look. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!